gifts is always fun and enjoyable. It's even better when you're the one giving them. Calorie-free fortune cookies, a magic candle with a wish inside, and a craft pack with a crossword puzzle. Check out a selection of the most interesting ideas for original and unforgettable gifts. And in the first life hack, we will show you how to present a Barbie doll to your friend in an original way. Just tie a bow around it? No, that's all wrong. For this life hack, you need a silicone cake mold. Put a few spoons of lemon jelly in it. Pour cold water over the jelly and let it swell. Add hot water and mix. Pour the solution into the mold, making layers with different flavors. Let the jelly freeze and carefully remove it from the mold. Place the doll in the center of the snack. A Barbie in a stylish jelly skirt? This is very original and very tasty. It's important not only to choose the most beautiful earrings, but also to present them beautifully. You need a small plastic container. Put earrings in it. Now place the container in a balloon. With the help of a funnel, pour shiny confetti into the balloon. Blow up the balloon with a pump. Attach an explosion label on the lid of the box and glue a toothpick to it. Place the balloon with the gift in the box. Close the lid. Absolute thrill is guaranteed. Who can remain indifferent at the sight of a box with bright balloons? Burst the balloon, the confetti scatters and creates a festive effect. New earrings? How nice! You're such an amazing friend! For the next life hack, you will need a glass cup saucer. Draw a pattern on the saucer. Draw card suits, hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Draw a white smile on the cup. Outline it with a black contour. Draw teeth and a black nose. Fill the remaining space with different card suits. You will need a gift box. Decorate it with stickers and drawings from Alice in Wonderland. Glue a picture with the scene of the tea party. Outline the pictures with a red acrylic contour. You also need playing cards. Cut them diagonally. Fasten the pieces of cards around the perimeter of the box lid. Take a small spice jar. Make a label saying, "Eat me." Write, "Drink me" on another jar that's identical to the first one. Fill the jar with jam and pour loose leaf tea in the second one. Put the tea set in the box. Tie it with a ribbon. A true best friend always knows everything about your favorite cartoons, even if you haven't been watching them for a long time. Oh, more gifts? How lovely! What's inside, the Hatter or the March Hare? It's a set for a mad tea party. The smell of jam in a jar really drives me mad. A smile on a cup will make you a real Cheshire cat. And for this life hack, you need a piece of an orange foam rubber sheet, a cup, and a marker. Outline the cup on the foam rubber sheet. Cut it out, print out some funny quotes and jokes. Fold the sheet. Wrap it in the circle of a foam rubber sheet. Glue it with a hot glue gun. Fold the circle in half and secure the edges with hot glue. Make a whole box of soft foam rubber fortune cookies. Tear the cookie and get a fun prediction. Any friend will surely be delighted with this funny gift. Just imagine a whole box of cookies with surprises and not a single gram of extra calories. This is just a dream come true. Here's the idea of an original monetary gift. Fold the bills like this. Secure them in the center with a piece of double-sided tape. Straighten the edges. Pump a balloon up with helium. Fasten the bills to the rope. Place the balloon in a box with a lid. Untie the ribbon on the box. A balloon floats out of the box with a whole bunch of money bows following it. Are you also the kind of person to give your friends money because you think the best gift is one you buy yourself? For the next life hack, you will need a glass flask and a thin candle. Put the candle inside the flask. Pour large sparkles in the flask. Close it with a cork. Put a note with the word "Wish" on it. Thank goodness there's a real wizard in your life. What could be better than getting a whole wish as a gift? Remove the candle from the flask, light it, make a secret wish, and blow out the light. And if you want your boyfriend to make your wish come true, it would be better to say it aloud when he can hear it. For this gift wrapping idea, you need craft paper and the gift itself. Draw a heart on the paper. Cut it out. Make 2 paper hearts. Glue the edges together using Elmer's glue, leaving a small gap. Tear up a piece of foil. Put the gift and pieces of foil into the craft package. Seal the gap. Write greetings right on the paper. Craft gifts look stylish and original and will definitely cheer up a bored birthday girl. Wow! What could be in here? The confetti from the foil sparkles so beautifully. Oh, it's a watch! And what about in here? Perfume? How nice! And in this package? More perfume? That's right, there's no such thing as too much perfume. My birthday was a success. And for this life hack, you need a package of dry napkins. Take all the napkins out of the box. Make a fan from one of the napkins. Tie it up with a string. Write a greeting and prepare the gifts. Roll the money bills up. Secure them with a piece of decorative tape. Fasten them to the rope. Next, tie a sweet candy. Make a long chain of money and sweets. Put the bundle in the package. Place a napkin on top. It's an original and unusual way to gift money. It's already nice to get a smartphone as a gift, but with our packaging idea, it's even more fun. You need a sheet of craft paper and a pen. Write greetings in the center. Randomly fill the remaining space with letters. Put the paper on the box with the phone. Secure it with tape. Fold inwards and glue the corners. Tie the box up with a rope and insert a marker in it. Gifts, gifts! I love gifts! What's your rush, honey? First, you need to solve a small crossword puzzle, namely to find the keywords and circle them with a marker. Happy birthday, beauty! You can solve the crossword puzzle in less than a minute. It is nice to be not only beautiful, but also very smart, and get a smartphone on top of that. And for the next life hack, you will need candy, 2 circles of styrofoam, and a piece of foil. Wrap the circles with foil. Glue them together. Hot glue the candies in a circle. Make 2 silver wheels. Paste candies on the perimeter of a styrofoam rectangle too. Fasten the foil to a popsicle stick. Cut off the excess. In total, you will need 4 foiled sticks. Place 4 candies in a row. Apply hot glue. Fasten 4 more candies on top. Make 2 arcs like that. Now you need a wooden stick and a straw. Cut off the excess from the straw and insert the stick into the corrugated part. Decorate with foil. Get rid of the excess. Put all the pieces together. Use a hot glue gun. It turned out to be a very stylish and sweet gift. The coolness of this chocolate Harley is off the charts. A perfect gift for a future biker. For the next holiday life hack, you will need a cardboard box like this. Take a piece of styrofoam, candles for a cake, and toothpicks with a star decor. Insert the candles and toothpicks into the styrofoam. Decorate with a picture of a cake. Use hot glue. Fasten pieces of pipe cleaners to the box. Fold the cutlery between the dividers. Put napkins, crackers, and balloons in the box. Carefully fold a paper garland. Secure it with decorative wire. Fasten a bunch of balloons with hot glue. A bright birthday set will lift the birthday girl's mood and make the party amazing. Did you like our gift life hacks? Write in the comments which of these ideas you will consider. And don't forget to like this video, click on the bell, and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the new videos from Troom Select.